get a little real.
Puppy! She's my friend. I know.
Shut up.
I'd like to take a second to celebrate our king, my father, who 20 years ago this night saved all of us from those dreaded...
Wait, did you hear that?
Hear what?
Perkins.
Gotcha.
Cupcake?
Run for your lives, everyone! It's the appetizer!
Run, Mitch!
Oh my god!
What happened? Help! Hurry!
Nope.
Nothing personal.
No, Poppy!
Hold on!
Poppy! My leg! Bad Bergen. Bad Bergen. Bad Bergen.
Dad!
Thanks for throwing the biggest, the loudest.
The craziest party ever.